Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Lunes, September 16, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 9 and 4 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 4 and 2 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 4, 7, 6, and 2 in exact order. With a minimum guaranteed price of 10,000 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize and third prize for the corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 25, 3, 39, 11, 44, and 1 in any order. With a jackpot price of 50 million, 50,640 pesos and 40 centavos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 22, 9, 5, 21, 37, and 30 in any order. With a jackpot price of 29,700,000 pesos. Abangan natin bukas ang Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 12 million. Super Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 54 million. At ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 168 million. Schedule ng Lotto draws bukas ay Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649 at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.